This truck has been manual steering since February of 1988. It's April 2024. And I gotta get used to that power steering, dude. I was yanking on the wheels so hard and it was just like, that was fucking wild. We're gonna be replacing the steering box. As you can see, I've already cleaned it up a little bit and started painting on it. This is out of a parts truck we had. It is a ZQ8 steering box. We're gonna come down here to the pitman arm and remove the cotter pin and castle nut. Now that we've got the cotter pin out, we remove the castle nut and use this tool to break that loose from the steering rack. Now we get to come over here and remove these 3 bolts. 3 bolts on the frame to the steering box removed. We've got the steering box removed. This is the ZQ8 steering box. I've cleaned it up and repainted it a little bit for cost money. Here is the old one. Look at that. Alright, this is the original steering box. You can see it's all crusty. One thing you'll notice that this one don't have any holes for the lines to run into. It's because it's a manual steering box. As you can see on this new ZQ8 one, you got 2 holes right here for us to run lines from a power steering pump to. So to add power steering, we're going to be using the original bracket for the alternator and the power steering pump. And we're going to be removing the billet alternator bracket right here. You better not. We got the frame painted in that one little section right there, and the new steering box is going right on in. Ain't it, Bryce?
Going on pretty good. How's the steering shaft look from up there?
It's a specific boat, you know that. Well, it should still be around. We took one out of it.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know where it was.
Bolt.
A little bit more tap to make it push.
I'm aiming for that groove there. This bolt should tell us. Okay, we're in. Because the bolt won't go in unless it's in the right spot. I do have the power steering pump on it from the factory 4.8. Left it on there. The only thing I did was loop the lines back together to the pump. So this whole time it's just been pumping back to itself. And yeah, it's never really been an issue. I've always been planning on doing this, but just lately the power steering pump has started to whine. So that was a sign for me to go ahead and do this. Get that big hole in there. lined up with that big hole we just took the fitting out of. Pretty close. The truck is completely back together. We're about to test fire it. And we want to make sure that the power string's not going to leak on there, because we're not 100% sure we got all the O-rings right, but we're going to find that out. It's topped off. Everything else is topped off. We're going to start it. Right? Open that big door. I don't see any leaks. It looks good. First test. You guys ready? I'm ready. Nothing. Nothing. Solid as a rock. Maybe I gotta work it some. Look at that. Oh, there's the wheel drop. Probably just a wheel drop.
Whoa, we were falling. Pulling yourself off the jack stands.
Is it leaking up there? Oh, yep, there's a leak. Yeah, we definitely got a leak right there. Yeah, I think it's just leak right there. I underestimated the capacity of the system, and it sucked it all in as soon as I started up and got air in it. Pump started whining, so we shut it off, put some fluid in there, and now it's not whining right now, but I'm scared to turn it. It's got a bunch of air in there. I'm gonna turn it really slowly. Film the bubbles. No way, dude. Like before, it was like two arms like this. Now it's just like, man.
I'm so excited.
Dude, I barely have we're gonna have to be careful out here.
Yo. How's it feeling?
Well, the power steering feels great. Do you feel that tapping?
Yep, I can feel it wobbling us all over the road.